Hey guys, just a quick video for today. I want to talk a little bit about the post-diagnostic card. You've seen me use this a few times on the channel, but we've never really talked about it. I'd like to fix that today. Starting with the 286, IBM introduced a very useful feature. As the system is going through its power-on self-test, or POST, it prints status information to port 80. Now, these diagnostic cards read that information and display it as a number. So when you get a system that's not putting anything on the screen, something is wrong on a hardware level, you can use the number that's printed on the card to determine where the problem might lie. They're very useful from a troubleshooting standpoint. So really, the card is simply printing whatever is sent to port 80 on the bus, which means once the operating system is loaded, we can actually write a program to send information to that port, and it should be displayed on the card. So that's exactly what I'd like to show you today. I've written a couple of programs to demo how that's done and what we can do with it. The card will print hexadecimal values from 0 through 9, A through F. I'm running a program here that'll count from 00 hex up to FF hex. So let's pull up a simpler version of that program, and I'll show you the basic concepts. Now I've got a program here called future.asm. It is written in assembly code. Assembly has a bit of a reputation for being difficult, but this program's really not complicated. I'll walk you through all the steps. So we're going to start by printing a value to port 80 hex. First, we're going to print 00. There are two LED displays on the card. The first one will print the current code, and the second one will print the previous code. First, we're going to print 00 to the card, and that's actually sent using that out command. Then we need to wait a few milliseconds. If you try and print another value right away, it's probably not going to work. And now we can print a new value. We're still sending something to port 80, except this time I want to send the number 55. So what we should have at this moment is 55 in the first set of LEDs and 00 in the second set. Now this is all going to happen very quickly, so you really probably won't see that 00. Then we've got to wait a couple milliseconds more. And last, we're going to print number 19. Again, sending 19 to port 80. What that'll do is put 19 in the first set of LEDs and push the 55 to the second set. So the end result should be 1955 on the card. So if I assemble and then link that program, I can execute it, and let's see what we get. Okay, good, we've got 1955 on the card. I've got another one here. Let's pop forward to 1985. And one more, let's go to 2015. Drop a comment down below if you got that reference. So as I mentioned earlier, we can print characters A through F and numbers 0 through 9. That means there are actually a couple of words that we can print here. I can print the word face. I can do cafe. There's a couple others as well. So there's really no practical application to any of this. It's really just a little bit of fun. So if you enjoyed this one, drop a comment down below. Feel free to like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.